Pretty much the shipping season in Lake Michigan is pretty much over. This is the last one to visit the St. Joe Harbor. It is a cold, windy day here, as you can tell. I'm holding the camera as still as I can. Backing out between the piers. Slow going. Right now I'm at Silver Beach, St. Joseph, Michigan. Just below the bluff where I did the video, like the bluff, a few weeks ago. Curious to see how far she backs out before it makes a turn. The lighthouse you see there is on the other side of the St. Joseph River. It's on the north pier. And the smaller one you see on the left is at the end of the south pier. So she's actually made it out of the harbor. And it looks like she's turning to head north. And I'm freezing cold. Alright, I'm I'm sitting in the car, it's a whole lot warmer in here, and I can hold the camera a little bit more steady. Yeah, she's gonna head north, looks like. Still backing around. And off she goes. And she's definitely heading north.